pie? Do you love cheesecake? I do. Today I want to tell you the story behind my vanilla cheese pie. This pie has the creamy cheese flavor, non-dairy of course, plus a hint of vanilla. It is a delicious dessert and much easier to make than a cheesecake. I've been testing allergy-free recipes that will be great for new cooks or kids to experiment with. Only the pie crust needs to be baked. The rest of the ingredients are combined and then hardened in the refrigerator. It makes a great ending for your meal and may be jazzed up by adding a topping. I recommend fruit pie fillings such as cherry. You may also use chocolate sauce, toasted coconut, or even sprinkles. Plus you could add extra non-dairy whip topping. Try this recipe. It's easy and quick to put together. Make it a day ahead and it'll be ready to go.